Did you know Kapalbhati is a yogic cleansing technique that can give you glowing skin and cleans your entire respiratory tract? Watch this video to learn the exact method to practice this amazing kriya step by step. Hello everyone, this is Rohit, your yoga instructor. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Before we dive into the technique, let's understand some important information about Kapalabhati. First, let's look at the meaning of Kapalabhati. It's a combination of two Sanskrit words, Kapala meaning the forehead and Bhati meaning shining. As the name suggests, regular practice of Kapalabhati increases oxygenation in the blood, bringing a healthy glow to your face and improving skin texture. Benefits of Kapalabhati. Practicing Kapalabhati activates the sympathetic nervous system, which boosts your energy, keeps you alert all day, and enhances concentration. This makes it highly recommended for students studying for exams and professionals aiming to increase their productivity. Kapalbhati is a breathing technique that involves passive inhalation and forceful exhalation. This action is known to cleanse the respiratory tract. In today's polluted environment, we are constantly exposed to dust, increasing the risk of respiratory diseases. Kapalabhati helps expel these dust particles, thereby reducing the likelihood of contracting respiratory illnesses. The rhythmic flapping action on the abdomen stimulates the abdominal organs and may aid in improving digestion. Kapalabhati is also recommended for people suffering from sinusitis, as regular practice of this kriya is known to alleviate sinusitis and help relieve symptoms such as nasal irritation and headaches. The practice of Kapalabhati is known to cleanse the nadis, the energy channels, facilitating the free flow of prana, which is vital for both physical and mental health. People having thyroid issues may also get benefit by practicing Kapalabhati regularly. The practice of Kapalabhati stimulates the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve controls essential functions such as heart rate, digestion, and immunity. Stimulating it through practices like Kapalabhati activates the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and stress reduction. This supports improved health and overall well-being. Before learning how to perform Kapalbhati, it's important to note that this practice may not be suitable for individuals with high blood pressure, heart disease, those who have undergone abdominal surgeries or have hernias. It's advisable to consult your doctor before starting Kapalbhati if you have any health concerns or conditions. Also, please note that Kapalbhati must be practiced in the morning or daytime and avoid during night, as this kriya stimulates brain. You may get sleep disturbances if practiced in night time. Kapalbhati can be practiced sitting in Padmasana or Sukhasana. Ensure your spine is straight and shoulders are rolled back. You can place the back of your wrist on the knees by joining the index finger with the thumb. This is known as Chin Mudra. Now take few deep breaths. In Kapalbhati, we perform forceful exhalation and passive inhalation, flapping the abdomen during exhalation. Beginners should practice at a pace of 1 stroke per second, meaning 60 strokes will take approximately 1 minute. Only when you become more experienced, you should increase this to 2 strokes per second. However, please note that you will still gain all the benefits even at the slower pace of 1 stroke per second. After completing 60 strokes, you can stop, relax, and then repeat another set of 60 strokes. Performing 60 strokes per minute is a safe and effective way to gain the benefits of Kapalbhati without putting stress on the lungs. Thank you for watching the complete video. If you think this is useful, please share. And if you have any queries, please leave in the comment box and we will be happy to answer. Thank you.